What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon. In the video today, I fucked that one up. We're installing some LASFiT SwitchBack fog lights. Now, if you guys don't know, I actually have been running these, which are right here. And LASFiT did hit me up, and we're working together now. So if you guys need anything, make sure you guys use Dagger 10 for 10% off all Civic products, not including the floor mats. So I am running the SwitchBacks, or I ran them. One of them accidentally blew out, or one of them was worn out. I think I had those for about a year and a half now, and they were kind enough to send me some new ones. So got them here. They're pretty simple. I mean, you do have to take the bumper off, which I already have from the intercooler install. So the bumper is off. Now I just need to pretty much just plug them in, and it's easy play from there. I'm gonna show you guys how to use them. It's pretty easy to install. I mean, you can't really mess these up. So let's just get right into the install. Alright, so like I said, it's a pretty easy install. I mean, as long as you got the bumper off, which I've done multiple times on this car, I'm missing a lot of clips. The bumper's off. I mean, it's just so easy. Oh, where's she at? Even my girlfriend can do it.
I don't know if I'm offended.
Oh, no, you gotta put them on first. How? Okay, might not be that easy.
What do you mean?
You just plug them in and show them how easy it is, you know what I'm saying? It's plug and play, no cap. Pretty much you take the OEM ones off. It's pretty easy. You just twist them out of the sockets on the fog lights. And like I said, easy peasy, squeezy, beezy. Oh, what the fuck is all that shit? Oh, that's all that one is. I'm an idiot. So you pretty much just plug them in. That goes only one way. There you go. So easy. Even your girlfriend can do it. And that goes into there. The bulbs.
This is the hard part, guys. I just want to let you know that this is pretty hard to put on. And like... Oh, Jesus Christ.
It goes on one way.
It is one way.
Okay.
And then you put it on. Oh. And then you twist her.
Is it in all the way?
Well, wouldn't this...
I don't know. I remember doing it.
Oh, I thought it would help.
Huh?
We're not... Maybe we should not record this part.
Yeah, so she didn't know how to do the left side, but I mean, it's just as easy. Even your dog can do it.
You just call me a dog or stupid little dog?
It's so easy. Your duck can do it.
Oh, that's the best it's gonna go from here.
I think it fell when we were driving.
And you just line them suckers up and you put them in. And then you get this little twisty thing. And then you do the twist. And do the mesh. And do the monster mash. And then you're all done.
And then pretty much you just throw the bumper on. And then you screw them in. So let's show you guys that one.
And then they did send the SwitchBack ones. All you gotta do is not do that, Nancy. All you gotta do is switch it back.
Why is that one not?
Now, the yellow.
This one's not working. Show me your outfit.
Show them my outfit. Look, guys. Poop. Poop.
Today was her first day at the veterinary. At the vet. I know this video ended a little weird, and I do apologize for it. When we were driving on, like, I wanted to show you guys like how the lights look at night, but I didn't get the opportunity to because the left side of the car, the little socket that connects to the LED part, like it flew off. Like if you guys seen the videos, like it's kind of broken. Like the whole thing just flew into the car, so that's gone. I gotta get a whole new like wiring and all that for that, so I gotta get that and then plug it in, and then we're good. So, but I still have the LED that LASFiT gave me, so that part's still intact. I just lost the actual like wiring for the car to activate, so that's gone. But I was supposed to show you guys that. I do apologize, but those things are bright. Like when I have the right one on, like on white and yellow, it's stupid bright. Like it's crazy. Wish I had both of them, but you know, it is what it is. So hopefully I can get that fixed and show you guys that. But I guess the main thing I wanted to talk about, and it's like the, I guess, topic of discussion is the car. As of right now, I have a boost leak on the car. We did get the intercooler on. If you guys did see the video, I did fix the left side, the passenger side of the car, the piping and stuff, but we're somehow still not building boost right away. So I'm gonna show you guys a video that she recorded on her phone. I went from 21 psi to 28 psi in like half a second. Like it just randomly just hit full boost. That's not the way it should be. So I have a boost leak somewhere. I'm not building boost. At first I thought it was like maybe the intercooler, like the tune I was running, or you know what was going on. I did hit up Nick, I hit up BCD. We all came together and figured out it is a boost leak somewhere. So I just gotta find out where it's leaking from and fix that leak and get the car going and moving. So as of right now, like I said, we just have a boost leak. We gotta find it. Maybe I gotta build like a boost leak tester, or you know, just find something all in all that works together to try and fix the car. So hopefully it's not too bad. The leak happened when I installed the intercooler, so that's my #1 bet of what the leak could be. I just gotta find out where it is, that's all. Other than that, everything seems to be running fine. I gotta get just a boost leak tester, and like I said, just fix it and figure it out. I'm running in circles here, sorry. Another video was really short. I just wanted to update you guys, inform you guys of what's going on, because obviously I don't want to come randomly and just say, hey, the car's not working, this is why. No, I want to be able to update you guys as I go and as I'm learning stuff myself. This is the first car like I'm really starting to build, and it's a lot of fun, but it's a big learning curve. So I'm learning as I go, but I'm having a lot of fun doing it. So I hope you guys are fun in watching me doing it. I know the past few months have been like fixing a lot of stuff, but hopefully from like as soon as we find out the turbo leak, everything there is just like straight bangers, you know. Sorry for the little rocky starts this year, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna get going. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I believe we're like 60 something away from hitting 3,000 subscribers, which is huge. Well, hopefully we can hit a big goal this year and just, you know, let's go crazy, go stupid. Just thank you guys for the love and support. Like I said, sorry for the short video, but I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys are enjoying the content that I'm putting out. I know, like I said, it's not a lot, but it's just something to put out there, and it's useful stuff. It's not like useless stuff. So we'll find that boost leak. We'll get the wiring fixed. We're gonna get Emily back up and running and on the road, so we can pump out some more bangers and have it looking dope. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Deb, peace.